So I just finished making some tea. I don't think I'm gonna record the parts where I get ready and stuff because I'm already late. Not late, but I want to come back early so that I could attend my online class. So yeah. Also, for those who follow me on Instagram and TikTok, snap background and of OTDs. This is the only place that has a great lighting in this house. So this is where I'll be doing my outfit checks. So I hope you guys are gonna like it. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do, please. And I'm almost on 5,000 subs. Manifesting. I'm almost on 5,000. What's this? 5,000 followers on Instagram, both Instagram and TikTok. So please follow me. I'm finally done. I'm about to request. Do you want the sunglasses? Because isn't this fly? It's cold up here right now. As is Koya, you know. I'm about to request a car, and then yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm back. I think. Yeah. Guys, I just made myself a salad. You feel about it? Yeah, sound done. Sound right. This is sick. Guys, I just made myself a salad and it looks so good. I didn't record while I was doing it because the lamb down, but I couldn't not show you. Is that just long as like this? The final product, because damn. Some cheese, aromat and a sauce. This looks delicious. Taste test. Yeah, this looks so good. Did I show you guys after did I don't know, after I mixed it. Exactly. So good. Hey guys, good morning. It was sunny. Good morning. I just finished eating a cereal. Today what are we doing? I don't know. Find my maintenance day, but okay. So I think I'm just gonna clean. Also I haven't unpacked because I still want my mom and Patila's New Zealand, so I'll do that after that, but I'll just clean for tonight, like for today. I think the setup in a clothing rail. What else? I don't know if ever I'll film while I'm doing that. Maybe while I'm doing dishes. Then that's it. I don't have space for that. Like I truly don't have, because I haven't paid space or something, and it declined. So I think I'll sort out in the space tomorrow. Yeah, don't take them. Yeah. Yeah. I'll talk to you guys when something interesting is happening today. But tomorrow, we have a full day planned. I truly cannot wait. Should I say it? But you're gonna see it anyways. So, okay. No one of them. So you know what? No one of them. That I came back with, and this was summer. Yeah. And fill in my cereals and everything. And baby, here we go. I don't know this Leona. I'm so tired, and I still need to go room, and I still need to do this. And I was cleaning the bathroom first. I need to also do some busy lights or something because let me give you a room tour. Have I given you a room tour? Ew. So this is the door. Okay. This is how it looks. This is the bed. So ending I left bedding. Hands kunje gokundlala phezu kweshiti. And then number 2 please. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. So hence the things is basically, and I took my suitcases out. This is the wardrobe, and yeah. And for now, I'll use my mom's bedding because I'm not bedding in Nazo. There's a single bed because I've been as I was saying, I'm gonna use my mom's bedding for now till I can afford to buy my own. And then I was thinking maybe that small table from Mr. Price is gonna be here. I'll have to buy that one so that I can put my things, so that it can be cute. I'm showing a headboard. I don't want to be ambitious. It's a one, but yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm exhausted. It's almost 3 p.m. and I've been cleaning since 11. 11:30. So no, I didn't brush you. And a pangela. No, but I'm almost done. Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. Today's the 14th of February. And happy Valasa, guys. Happy Valentine. I hope, I don't know, I am sending love to everyone. Kisses. And I'm so with them. This is on them, right? I think so. I hope you guys are gonna have a good day. For those of us single, let's try again next year. Be right. Today, and today okay, yesterday I didn't mention this. So today is Valentine's Day, right? And I was supposed to do a cute beach picnic with my man. It go gloomy. Okay, go very long a little bit go, but like it's not make sure. Okay, I don't know whether I should be hopeful or what. Because we're gonna go maybe around 3, and around that time, it was the focus it banner goes lang. I don't know. Or should we make other plans? I don't want to make other plans. I don't want to go to a restaurant and listen to this and if you find diner. I don't want to do that. And what else? Movies. I don't know. I don't know. I want something romantic, like. And my boyfriend and I have never been to a picnic before, have we? No. So yeah. And which is crazy. Did you forestay or should I make other plans?
you can't be replaced. There's no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind. Spend my life with you. Won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give really good feeling.
We made it at what cost? I was very late. We're very late, but not really late, because the point of here is to catch a sunset. So yeah, it was so good. The time is around 5 and so that's great. I'm gonna show you guys my OOTD. I didn't show you guys my proper final product of my hair, but this is how I look. And everything is going rush and don't like when things because and it's ever good. And I forgot my big earrings and in because I really wanted to take 2 pictures. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I don't know. Let me show you my outfit. Yeah.
Saving you, is the heart of a woman. Yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you.
I've been having a lot of big feelings recently. So confused. And I feel like I don't really know what to do.
Tell me, do you feel the way my past days? When you lay on me, can you hear the way my heart breaks? I wanted you to have everything I never had. I'm so sorry, but I don't make you feel safe.
Good morning. Good morning, Ekoseni. Don't go for this big child. I don't customize it, so. And this one tiny hairline full of. But the customize after Nicolila because I had no choice. I wanted really to wear new hair. You know, I wanted to look different. But yeah. Yesterday was so much fun. I didn't do much of vlogging, but I vlogged. I like for me, I think phone was low, and also while I was doing my hair, I was shooting content like TikTok content for Hussein, and I was using my phone, so I forgot to charge my phone. I really apologize for that, but I think Nibonile. Yeah, it was really nice. It was so cute. It was so romantic. Yeah, and I came back so drunk. Yeah, but I'm good. I'm good. Today is Valentines Day, so we're going on a picnic again, but we're going out with my friends, and we're going on a park. Not really the same vibes as yesterday, so that should be fun, and I'll take you guys with me again, and I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. I don't know what to wear for Valentine's. I thought I was gonna wear the dress that I wore yesterday. I don't know. I'm thinking something pink and white, something. I'll see. Is this straight? Okay. I'm done getting ready. This is how I look. I'm wearing this pink skirt, and they're not gonna be my slides. They carry my black bag because I have a lot of stuff, so I have to carry a big bag. I'm gonna carry this because I have to flag a sheety and some fleece and other stuff, so I have to carry this. This doesn't really blend well with my outfit, but sorry about that. I think I look cute. What do you guys think? I think I love it. It's giving galentines. It's giving cute. I love it. Also, I'm very late. I was supposed to be at Vincent Mall at 11. It's around 11:15. I need to go somewhere else before that. proud. I'm so proud. And chances outcome I was already there. Damn. Let me check something to moisturize my lips. Okay. Bye.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Nancy. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me?
Yeah. Hi. Exactly.
I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same.
Aren't you making a toast?
Yes. Come on.
I said, who wants to do the honors? What's in there? But to the Vulam. Astella. Says the toast in Ghana. Okay. Since it's the new year and this is our first time like properly chilling together. Okay. So let's cheers to being thankful for being alive and making it to 2025. Cheers. Yum. Let's cheers to God making all our hearts desires true this year. Amen. And making sure that we're prospering in everything. Amen. Cheers. And lastly, let's cheers to being girls. I want girlhood. To be girlhood. Be lady best. To be lady best.
Never been like this before. Tried to go waiting for you to adore.
Hi guys. I don't know when was the last time we had a chat. I think the last time I vlogged was when we were. Today's another day. Did I say that? Today is Sunday, and I think the last time I vlogged was in Vegas, I think. Today I did absolutely nothing. But anyway, a lot happened to Zola, but I had so much fun. Like, we had so much fun. So yeah, my hair looks like a mess right now, but yeah, just wanted to update you guys. And am I ending the vlog here? I might. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog. Not this side, I think. I'll do a proper outro tomorrow if ever really this is the end of the vlog. But I think I've vlogged enough for this particular vlog.